Hi everyone, this is Sarah with Powertrain Products. I am back with another episode of Tech Talk. Today I am in the office. I'm going to talk a little bit about VIN numbers. So we do require a VIN number with every purchase here at Powertrain Products. The VIN number is going to give us all of the details that we need to know so that we can provide the best replacement part for your vehicle. Now this is going to be a 17-digit number. Every vehicle has one, unless your vehicle was manufactured prior to the year 1981, in which case this is going to be an 11-digit number. We can still decode this. We don't get quite as much information as we get with the 17-digit VIN numbers, but we can still work with that. Now, the VIN number is going to be located in several places on your vehicle. So the first and the best way to get your VIN number is to look through the windshield onto your dash. You'll see the 17-digit number there through your windshield. It is also possible to open your driver's side door and look in the door jamb. This is another place that you can find the VIN. Now we do have a lot of customers who say, well, obviously I don't have my vehicle with me, it is in the shop, or I wouldn't be calling you. And that's okay. There are a few other places that you'll be able to find your VIN as well. So most of the time your VIN is going to be located on your title, on your vehicle registration, and sometimes you can even log into your insurance app and find your vehicle's VIN number there. Now, once we have your VIN number, we actually have computer programs that we can just type it into that will give us all of the information we need to know. Our VIN decoding software can tell us everything from the color of your interior to your engine size. Now, if you don't have access to any of these fancy softwares, that's okay. There is actually a lot of information that you can get from your VIN just by looking at it. So, the first, second, and third digits of your VIN are actually going to tell you where your vehicle was manufactured and who the manufacturer is. The fourth digit of the VIN can often tell you whether or not your vehicle is a two-wheel drive or a four-wheel drive vehicle. Now, if you have ever been to our website, you may notice that our engines are often classified as VIN code M or VIN code 0. This is because the 8th digit of the VIN is actually your engine code. That is going to tell us exactly which engine is in your vehicle. Now the 10th digit of the VIN is going to let us know what year your vehicle was manufactured, and the last 6 digits of the VIN are going to be the serial number to your vehicle. Now I would like to note that although we discussed earlier that you can find your VIN number in places such as your registration or your title or your insurance app, just keep in mind that in all of those places, it is required that a human enter that information. And as we all know, whenever humans are involved, there is the possibility for error. So the best place to get your VIN number will always be through the windshield on the dash. Now, we do sometimes get people who are weary of providing us with their VIN number. So I just want you to remember that this is visible from the outside of your car. That means that it is available to anyone walking past. The VIN number is not like your social security number. There is nothing harmful that anyone can do with that information. We ask for it simply so that we can provide the best replacement part for your vehicle. Now, if you have any questions or if you just need more information, give us a call. The number is 888-842-0023, or you can visit us at powertrainproducts.net. Thank you.